In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Instagram fast. Whether you've rebranded, changed your real name, or just want something that fits you better, updating your name on Instagram only takes a minute once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along on your own phone as we go. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check that you're on the right profile so you don't accidentally change the wrong one. Next, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your main profile page, where you see your bio, posts, and profile picture. On this page, look for the button that says Edit Profile and tap it. This is where you can change key details about your account, including your name, username, bio, and other profile information. Inside the Edit Profile screen, you'll see a field labeled Name. This is the name that appears on your profile under your picture. Tap on that field, delete your current name, and type in the new name you want to use. Take a moment to check your spelling and make sure it appears exactly the way you want, including capital letters and any special characters that Instagram allows. Keep in mind that Instagram has some guidelines and limits. You may only be able to change your name a certain number of times within a specific period, and very long or unusual names might be rejected. If Instagram shows an error, try shortening the name or removing symbols that look like spam. Once you're happy with the new name, tap Done or Save in the top corner of the screen, depending on your device. This will save your changes and take you back to your profile. Give the app a second to refresh, and then look at your profile page. You should now see your new name displayed right under your profile picture. If it doesn't update immediately, try closing and reopening the app, or waiting a short while for the change to propagate. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Instagram quickly and easily, and you can always come back to this same Edit Profile screen if you want to update it again in the future.